All right, y'all, I'm gonna show you how to make a boudin king cake burger today. Let's go. I'll go ahead on and check out my Mardi Gras hamburger. All right, now if your partner don't want to eat this for Valentine's, go ahead on and find a new one. All right, y'all, hit it with another stick of butter, babe. Y'all, the wings is cooked up. One more stick of butter, babe.
I smell whenever it goes down, baby. What you doing, Big Ralphie?
Go ahead and add 1 stick of butter on there, yo.
Go up in that pan with 5 pounds of butter now. Come see. Check it out. I mean, y'all know you gotta get these women working one way or another, baby. Ain't no excuses around here.
Alexa, can you get Ralph the Baker?
All right, y'all, 2 sticks of butter, babe.
Fuck my life.
All right, y'all, we about to make some smothered pork chops.
Nah, bro, nah. Smothered lamb chops.
Oh, damn.
Lamb chops.
Bro, I ain't about to be telling my people, bro. We cooking lamb,
That's
dog.
lamb, bro. What you gonna tell him? It's pork chops and lamb chops?
Dog, he can never mind his business. Dog, you the only dude I know, bro, that literally picked a watermelon that tastes like a pumpkin, bro. Bro,
It's juicy and all that, but it tastes like a pumpkin, bro.
I don't know, bro. That taste buds must be off, bro.
How much sauce you need, huh? Been that 3 teaspoons of gumbo filet. And that burger. Yeah.
Look, bro. Hold on, bro. How big you say? You're not 16, huh?
Do what you do.